Hello guys, in this video I will actually share with you a GitHub repo that I created which lists out 100 plus websites which provides you with free unlimited API keys to all the AI providers such as Claude, GPT, DeepSeek. So this repo that you can check out, I've given the repo link in the description of the video. It's already got almost 4,000 GitHub stars. So many people are sharing this. So it contains completely free LLM API websites which provides you with free API keys. So I simply created this with full description. So first of all, you will actually see this title, and step by step I listed out the API website. I personally use this. So the first one is Cocher. You will see it provides you with free trial API credit, no credit card, 1,000 API calls per month. And I simply created this table which lists out which AI models it provides you access. The second one is Google Gemini. You can see that Mistral AI. You will see I also provided with base URL as well. And I will repeatedly will update this GitHub repo whenever I find out other free API websites. So definitely check out this repo. I've given the link in the description of this video. So you simply click on the AI website and the website will open directly in the new URL, and you will be able to go to the website. Some are Chinese websites, some are US websites. You will see that Mr. AI. So then we have third party platforms as well, which are completely open source. So in the table like structure, I exactly tell you which AI providers it provides you with complete context window as well. You can see Cloudflare, which provides you with 50 plus models. So this GitHub repo will definitely help you in finding out the exact websites which provides you with free access to all the AI providers. This will save you a lot of time as well. So come do start this GitHub repo as well. So then we also provide you with some AI providers as well, like this one, Kilocode, which are also completely free. So complete websites I have shared right here in this GitHub repo. You will see that model scope. So these are complete APIs which are completely free. They provide you free access. You will see 100 plus models. So no token limit is there. So then we have Llama. You will see that. Then Open Router, as you all know, it's very popular website. So definitely check out this GitHub repo. The link is given in the description. So if you clone this, you can directly clone this as well inside your local machine. So right here inside this, we will have this markdown file which actually lists out